What's up, what's up? We are here at, I don't even freaking know. We're pretty close to Sea Cliff Bridge. And a guy staying at my hostel this morning, he was like, hey, you want to come check out some waterfalls? And I was like, yeah. So I got a few mates with me, but here's our first waterfall. I don't know if we can see it. I mean, count it, you know? I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. Here's the waterfall a bit more properly. Just right here on a cliff's edge. I mean, this is Tom and I made it down, and just freaking beautiful. I filmed the time lapse in just hiking down some really, you know, properly made stairs, and I don't know where it continues. We're trying to get down to the water just to have a little swim. We'll see. Found this one. That's proper. Waterfall check. Okay, here we are. Yeah. It's the water. Whoa. Look at that, man. That's sweet as.
She said, do you come from a land down under?
I know.
Did you slam it?
Here it is, the fucking Sea Cliff Bridge. Currently on it. Let's go!
Yeah, okay, those rock.
This is great for the YouTube video.
We need some higher tides.
What's up, YouTube?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
If the water did.
Gotta have my Chinese tourist moment. Here is me and Sea Cliff Bridge. Alright, won't let me zoom. I'll zoom in post. Yeah, that's freaking it, man. We're trying to get a up to another viewpoint, but this is what I'm walking on right now. Like, fucking hell, I gotta keep the camera away. Sorry, guys. This has got to amount to something. Like, fucking hell. Jesus. Hey, mate found a bush turkey. He said we gotta go help him out. Oh, there he is. He's got a pretty yellow, I'm pushing him back to you. We're circling him. Yeah, come on.
Oh, you're a dirty son. Oh. Oh. I know he's up there.
Acting all big and tall.
Taking photos.
There it is, man. Sea Cliff Bridge.
You right?
It's been some tribulations, but that's it, man. Fuck.
If you want to.
Go on then.
This is a hold my beer moment.